Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing the union group basically, that is city creation. So in this basically we are discussing one union group basically, that is sand creation group basically, which is telling basically that we have created very dangerous strand basically. That union is this basically.
Navratri.
Navaratri. Navaratri.
Now in this basically we are going to we are going to take one topic, that is which is telling that basically that we are basically creating the future generation, and this is the future generation that we have created. That is this basically. In this basically one of the person told that basically what actually the future generation is and how you can say that your future generation is basically end. And in Earth one of the universe group told that basically from satellite one of the person told that basically how basically you can say that basically your future generation is basically ended. So one of the person told that how basically you can say that basically the future generation is basically ended. So one of the universe person told that basically in satellite basically how you can say that basically satellite group basically asked in Earth planet basically how you end the generation of one person basically. Assume that basically my generation was ended. So how basically my generation was ended, that we are going to see.
Navaratri.
Navratri.
That we are going to see how basically my future generation was ended by certain groups. That we see basically.
ये कैसे होती है और ये क्यों जरूरी है, तो आइए हम जानते हैं इसके बारे में। पुरुष नसबंदी क्या है और ये कैसे होती है और ये क्यों जरूरी है, तो आइए हम जानते हैं इसके बारे में आज के अपने इस छोटे से वीडियो में। तो ये हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर क्या है, ये मेल सेक्स पार्ट है। क्या है? मेल सेक्स पार्ट। अब इस मेल सेक्स पार्ट को आपको बेसेक्टोमी या पुरुष नसबंदी बताने से पहले हम आपको बताते हैं वीर्य के बारे में। किसके बारे में? वीर्य, जो सीमेन होता है अपना, जो वीर्य है, वीर्य क्या दो भागों से मिलकर के बना होता है। एक अपना क्या होते हैं, स्पर्म होते हैं, जिन्हें हम शुक्राणु बोलते हैं, स्पर्म या शुक्राणु। और जो दूसरा होता है अपना क्या होता है, वो होता है सेमिनल फ्लूइड। क्या होता है? सेमिनल फ्लूइड। सेमिनल फ्लूइड या शुक्र द्रव। ये जो सेमिनल फ्लूइड है ये हमें प्राप्त होता है अपने किससे? सेमिनल वेसिकल और प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड से। और जो अपने शुक्राणु है वो कहां निर्माण होता है उनका? अपने टेस्टिस या वृषण में। तो जब अपने शुक्राणु हो वृषण से होते हुए अपने किससे? शुक्र वाहिका या बाष्पीकरण से होते हुए यहीं पर क्या अपने जो शुक्राशय है, सेमिनल वेसिकल है, वो अपना फ्लूइड इसी नली में छोड़ देते हैं और इसी नाली से होते हुए क्या होते हैं, यूरेथ्रा या पेनिस के थ्रू क्या होते हैं, बाहर हो जाते हैं। अगर क्या है संभव हुआ है तो ये जो अपना वीर्य बना है ये किसमें? वेजाइना में छोड़ दिया था। इसी से क्या होता है, निषेचन क्रिया होती है और क्या होता है, अपना बच्चा बनता है। तो इससे बचने के लिए क्या करते हैं, जो अपनी बास्ट डिफरेंस है या शुक्र वाहिका होती है उसमें कहते हैं हल्का सा एक चीरा लगाते हैं, कट लगाते हैं, उसको क्या करते हैं, टाइट बांध देते हैं। तो यहाँ से जो अपना क्या है शुक्राणु निकल के जा रहे थे और क्या किसका निर्माण कर रहे थे? वीर्य का निर्माण कर रहे थे। तो यहाँ से क्या होते हैं, शुक्राणुओं का जाना। यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर क्या शुक्राणु क्या हो रहे हैं, आगे नहीं जा पाएंगे, तो शुक्राणुओं का जाना क्या हो जाएगा, बंद हो जाएगा। तो जो वीर्य अपना, ऐसा नहीं है कि वीर्य बने नहीं, वीर्य बराबर बनता रहेगा। तो जो वीर्य में जो अपना बनेगा उस वीर्य में क्या होगा, शुक्राणु की क्या होगी, अनुपस्थिति होगी। जब शुक्राणु ही नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा, निषेचन नहीं होगा। तो यहाँ पर एक मिथ्या होती है, पुरुष सोचते हैं कि अगर हमने नसबंदी करा ली तो उनकी क्या होगी, मर्दानगी चली जाएगी। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, पुरुषों की मर्दानगी नहीं जाएगी। क्यों? क्योंकि शुक्राणु का निर्माण अपने वृषण में बराबर होता रहेगा। और क्या टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन, जो जिससे क्या होती है मर्दानगी के जो लक्षण आते हैं, वो हार्मोन भी क्या होगा, लगातार बनता रहेगा। इस वजह से क्या होगी कि जो मर्दानगी है वो भी क्या होगी, कायम रहेगी। बस फर्क ये है कि जो अपने शुक्राणु जाकर के वीर्य में मिल रहे थे, तो यहाँ पर जो कट लगाने की वजह से और बांधने की वजह से शुक्राणु यहाँ से नहीं जा पाएंगे। तो वीर्य में क्या है, शुक्र की क्या होगी, शुक्राणु जो अपने हैं उनकी क्या हो जाएगी, अनुपस्थिति हो जाएगी। तो जब वीर्य में शुक्राणु ही नहीं होंगे तो क्या होंगे, निषेचन की क्रिया नहीं हो पाएगी। और निषेचन की क्रिया नहीं होगी तो क्या होगा, बेबी का बर्थ नहीं हो पाएगा या क्या बच्चा नहीं बनेगा। इससे क्या होगा, जनसंख्या पर क्या होगा, बहुत ज्यादा प्रभाव पड़ेगा। क्या अपनी जनसंख्या वृद्धि रुकती जाएगी। इसलिए क्या पुरुष नसबंदी महिला नसबंदी से क्या होती है, आसान होती है और सरल तरीके से हो जाती है। इसलिए पुरुष नसबंदी को कराने की सलाह दी जाती है। तो आपको ये जानकारी क्या अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर ये जानकारी आपको अच्छी लगी तो इस जानकारी को आप आगे से ज्यादा शेयर करें। थैंक यू।
So this is basically the Nasbandi basically, which was basically assume basically that was done by myself. My Nasbandi was done. Assume in really basically my Nasbandi is not done basically. So in this basically one of the person told that this was actually told a story of the Nasbandi, right? Basically, yes, basically this was Nasbandi, and here basically you got the birth basically. Yes, basically here basically I got the birth. So on last day everything is going to calculate. So be ready for that. So that basically this is basically Navratri basically. See that also you
Navratri.
Navaratri.
see. This is Russia also. That Russia also you see basically, and German also you see basically. Who created Gujaratis? That also you see.
Navratri. Navratri.
So one of the person told that, yeah, योर जनरेशन बेसिकली किसी ने एंड तो नहीं कर दिया. Then one of the person saw that basically what is generation end here? Satellite group basically, because he actually was not able to understand what actually generation end basically. So he explained basically in Earth planet language that this is basically generation end basically. How basically the generation basically end. Generation end means his future basically is not going to create. So one of the person told that ये मतलब किसने किया? Who basically might have done this basically? So one of the person told that you have fast the group basically who are connected with you, basically they only basically can touch you. So that is this group basically. You have done fasting of 30 years. So this group basically might be responsible for your future generation end. Then one of the person told that who are this group basically? Then Sunil Arnaya told that basically they are basically connected with Ayodhya group basically. Ayodhya land basically.
Navratri.
So in Ayodhya land basically, where Ayodhya land is basically? That is in Uttar Pradesh. See basically. See Uttar Pradesh is there. So in Uttar Pradesh, the land is basically. So in Uttar Pradesh basically, who can end you basically? And if you can, anybody can end you basically, that would be your group, the people who basically given the birth you know basically. That group only basically can end you basically. That means you are the people who given the birth you, that only basically ended you basically. Then he told that basically that is not possible. Yeah, basically how basically they can give birth and they can end also, because on last day this is going to calculate, that's why. So one of the person told that yeah. Then basically I had taken my story, this, that, each and everything basically, where basically I had done the study, each and everything basically we had taken. So possibilities that basically that group basically might have done this basically. Just taking as an example basically. Because in assume basically then that in Dubai basically Sunil R. Nair basically was killed basically. Due to Indian culture basically. In Indian culture basically Sunil R. Nair was not able to adjust. So they basically killed Sunil R. Nair in Dubai basically. With the help of Indian government basically. They are sitting in the parliament house basically. And in parliament, Gujarat also parliament houses, that is in Gandhinagar basically. Now basically one of the person told that basically assume that Sunil R. Nair basically was not killed in Dubai and he basically came back in Dubai. So government abhiman, that is basically called as ego of government basically, they told that basically we have planned his murder basically, but he how basically exited basically from Dubai basically. So abhiman of government basically came into picture, abhiman of Supreme Court, High Court basically came into picture, and they told that basically we will give him as of punishment basically that the people will remember basically. So they started giving punishment to Sunil R. Nair basically. Just taking example basically, in really basically they are not done, because on last day this is going to calculate, that's why. So one of the person told that we will tell this group only basically to give him punishment basically. So one of the person told that this group means this group, this group means this group, and this group and this group. So these groups are going to give the punishment basically. Then one of the person told that might possible because Supreme Court or High Court ka abhiman basically you don't know basically. If anybody challenge the basically challenge the decision basically, then see the abhiman of Supreme Court and High Court basically. That's why basically the Asia land is also separated from the European land basically, because abhiman of Supreme Court and High Court basically are up to that level basically. So one of the person told that are you sure basically the Supreme Court and High Court groups are basically so abhimani basically. Then he told that yes basically these groups are basically handled by few mafia groups basically. Few people says basically whether it is correct or not basically I don't know. Few groups are basically connected with Supreme Court also basically. This basically one of the person told that this the world basically knows that basically. Then he told that the world basically 100% might be known, because Supreme Court, High Court basically a union and whole world is union basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically. So entire creation basically are same way basically in whole world basically. So one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically. So entire Supreme Court, High Court basically of the world basically is same. So that is visa system basically are same basically for whole world basically. So now basically again back to this hospital basically. So in next video basically we are going to see this hospital basically up to what level this hospital basically are going basically.